Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen, and in today's video we are going to be trying out this Salon Perfect One and Done Brow Pomade. I got this in my spring Walmart beauty box, so if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below, and if you guys want to see how this goes, then keep watching. Okay, so this is the Done-in-One Brow Pomade from Salon Perfect. So this retails for anywhere between $4.47 to $5.92. So it is super affordable, which is awesome. Everyone's always looking for, I feel like, really affordable brow products, so hopefully this is a good one. And the one downside for me off the bat is that there's only 3 shades. This isn't like the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills brow pomade or anything. You have a blonde, a dark brown shade, and a light brown. I have the dark brown shade. On the back here it says Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade is an all-in-one multitasking product designed to sculpt, shape, and define your brows. This creamy formula glides on and won't smudge or budge. So let's see. So inside of here you get a brush that doesn't want to budge out of the packaging, of course. So let's see. Alright, so if you have this, you want to open it from the bottom of the packaging because the brush, the spoolie gets stuck. So you do get a dual-ended brush with a spoolie and a angled brush, which is really nice. So right off the bat, for $4, between, I'm going to say like $4 and $6, that is already a pretty good deal. And then you get your brow pomade. This is what the lid looks like. And then this is the actual pomade and the inside. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to work because I don't know if I've ever tried a brow pomade. I think I've tried one from e.l.f. So I'm going to brush out my brows. They're as good as they're gonna get, and I'm going to dip into here. So I don't know how much this is going to be. I did go into it a little bit. So sometimes I just like to go on the back of my hand like this and kind of just like wipe off any excess product that got onto the sides. And just start at the bottom here. So far, right off the bat, the brush is a little soft. I like really stiff brushes when I do my brows if I'm using a product like this. That's just personal preference, but that's just, you know, my first impression right now. Otherwise it goes on really nicely. It's not dry, the formula, at all, and it's not like tugging the skin or anything. So I think that going in once was enough. Yeah, so you really only need to go in like one time into this product, which is also good to know. And then I just want to blend out like this. So this is really blendable. It is blending into the brow nicely, which I really like. And it's just blending into the brow also nicely. Like, it doesn't look, I mean, it looks filled in, but it doesn't look fake, if you guys get what I'm saying. I'm going to go do the other brow off camera, and I will be right back to tell you guys my final thoughts on this product. I just finished up my brows, and to really lock them in place, I use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in deep brown. So my final thoughts on this product. I think it's a pretty good brow pomade. I really like that it's super affordable and that you do get a brush spoolie along with the pomade. I think that's really good. The one downside is that this product does move around a lot. I felt like on my left eyebrow, the product did move around more and it was a little messier. and I used the same amount of product as I did on my right brow, so I don't really know what went on there. So I will let you know in the comments down below if I think that this is smudge free, or I can just try right now. I think that it dried down. I mean, there's nothing on my finger, so it's smudge proof. It does live up to its claims. So, but overall, I think it's a really nice product. Like I said, it's a great price and it's super affordable, and you can get it at Walmart. And that is it for this little demo and review of the Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this product, and let me know if you've tried it before. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. I also saw that they have more brow products. It's other than the pomade, so let me know if you've tried any of them. I would love to hear your thoughts on the other Salon Perfect brow products. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you would like to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!